Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another quick one this time, but I thought this was very interesting, pretty cool, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. It's just a tavern mug, no big deal, you would think, but again, I thought it was pretty cool because of the little card it came with explaining the process on how to age this tavern mug. So I took a Sam Adams IPA. I'm not a huge beer guy, honestly, but I do like Sam Adams and I do like IPA, so I chose that one to age my mug. So the instructions say, and we'll read them in a minute, to wash with, soap and water, and then rinse multiple times with just hot water. So again, we've done that, washed it out with soap and water, rinsed it multiple times with hot water. And then it says to pour a beer or an ale in it and let it set overnight, which is what we did with that Sam Adams IPA. The next morning, you dump it out and just rinse it out with water. You don't wash it again after that. So the premise of it is the metal soaks up the flavor of the one beer that you use your cup or your mug for. So that's what we've done. It sat overnight. I just filled it back up. So let's read the instructions on the card. Pretty interesting. So it says the aging of your mug. How to prepare the mug for beer or ale. Wash the mug thoroughly with soap and water. Rinse several times in hot water. Do not dry. Fill mug with beer or ale and allow to stand overnight. If the beer or ale has not reached the top after its foam has settled, add water until it does. This allows the inside of the mug to be saturated with beer or ale. In the morning, remove the beer or ale and rinse. Use your mug only for beer or ale. After any use, just rinse thoroughly and air dry upside down. Do not use a towel. So on the bottom it says, we recommend that you use this mug for only one beverage. The beverage will saturate the mug and taste best from it. The instructions given here are for beer or ale and would be the same for any other beverage. Pretty cool, I thought. So if you guys, I got this mug from Townsend. Most of the stuff I have is from there. I've made a bunch of stuff myself as well and got a few different odds and ends elsewhere, but I've spent a lot of money over the years at Townsend's. They're great people. Obviously a great YouTube channel. I keep getting comments about that. I've been a subscriber of theirs for years. I actually have them boxed on my channel main page. They've been there for a while as well. And just good, great people, great, excellent customer service. I can't beat it. So this mug, tavern mug, I got from them. This is a new addition to me. So, but again, I thought it was pretty interesting, so I figured I'd do a video on it for what it's worth. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and just remember to practice proper beverage management. Cheers, guys. Catch you on the next one.